Manger.
means to eat. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to eat in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know only the future stem, which we have already learned in our last video. Here is the table of future stem that we have learned in our earlier video. Now we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future stem. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will eat.
Je mangerai.
You will eat. Informal way.
Tu mangeras.
He will eat. Masculine.
Il mangera.
She will eat. Feminine.
Elle mangera.
We will eat. Formal way.
Nous mangerons.
You will eat. Formal way.
Vous mangerez.
They will eat. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils mangeront.
They will eat. Group of only females.
Elles mangeront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I will eat with my friends tomorrow evening.
Je mangerai avec mes amis demain soir. Je mangerai avec mes amis demain soir.
You will eat your lunch after school.
Tu mangeras ton déjeuner après l'école. Tu mangeras ton déjeuner après l'école.
He will eat at the restaurant this weekend.
Il mangera au restaurant ce week-end. Il mangera au restaurant ce week-end.
She will eat a delicious dessert for her birthday.
Elle mangera un dessert délicieux pour son anniversaire. Elle mangera un dessert délicieux pour son anniversaire.
We will eat together as a family on Sunday.
Nous mangerons ensemble en famille le dimanche. Nous mangerons ensemble en famille le dimanche.
You will eat a hearty meal at the party.
Vous mangerez un repas copieux lors de la fête. Vous mangerez un repas copieux lors de la fête.
They will eat their dinner before the movie.
Ils mangeront leur dîner avant le film. Ils mangeront leur dîner avant le film.
They will eat a healthy snack after sports.
Elles mangeront une collation saine après le sport. Elles mangeront une collation saine après le sport.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je mangerai. Tu mangeras. Il mangera. Elle mangera. Nous mangerons. Vous mangerez. Ils mangeront. Elles mangeront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.